Assalamualaikum. My name is Iman. I study in class 9. Today our topic is atomic structure. Why is it said that almost all the mass of an atom is concentrated in its nucleus?
Because neutrons and protons in the nucleus account for 99% of the mass atom, while electrons have negligible mass.
Why are elements different from one another?
Because different atomic number of protons and unequal electron configuration.
Why is tritium 3 by 1H are radioactive elements?
Because it has an two unstable nucleus with 2 electrons, causing it radioactivity decay.
How can atom absorb and evolve energy?
By gaining or losing electron, or by electron jumping to higher energy level.
Why is needed lower the pressure of gas inside the discharge tube?
To preservation collisions between gas molecules and electrons.
Why are the nuclei of radioactive elements are unstable?
Due to imbalance electrons and protons.
Explain the structure of a hydrogen atom.
Hydrogen atom consists of 1 proton in the nucleus and 1 neutron of the around revolving around it an orbit.
What is radioactivity? Explain any 3 applications of radioactivity is a top.
Emission of radiation from unstable nucleus. Applications: number 1, cancer treatment; number 2, food preservation; number 3, medical imaging.
A system just like our solar system exit is an atom. Comment on this statement.
Nucleus is like the sun and electron like the orbiting planet.